Na tayo, boss. Ayan po. Okay, brother. Take. Hello, good evening mga kabulaklak. Today is Wednesday, April 27. So, time check tayo, 7:30 yata. 8 o'clock pa ba daw magbubukas yung mga gold shop? Ayan o, mga sarado pa. So, pupunta tayo ngayon dito sa Gold Souk. At bibili ako ng singsing or dalawang bibiling ko. Ang singsing ni Raven or ay singsing ko tsaka kwintas ni Raven. So, ayan. Ipakikita ko sa inyo yung mga gold. Ayan, bibili ako ng gold. Si Kabayan dumaan. Hello. Yes po. Hello. Taga-saan po kayo? Uy, kapitbahay ko po kayo. Taga Pampanga ko. Sa San Fernando po. Ilan taon na kayo dito sa Qatar, Kabayan?
10 years na.
Wow. Ano pong trabaho nyo dito? Mechanical. Kumusta niyo yung mga kamag-anak niyo sa Pinas?
Okay naman sila.
Saan sa Nueva Ecija po?
Cabanatuan City.
Saan po?
Cabanatuan City.
Cabanatuan. Si Sir. Ano pangalan niyo po, Sir?
Egay Bonner.
Si Sir Egay, taga Cabanatuan City. Sana namang OFW nakita natin dito by chance. Bibili kasi ako ng gold. So, okay. Thank you po, Sir. Ayan, papasok ako dito. Siya pa lang nakabukas eh. Oh, kaso wala pa po 8 o'clock. So, titingin ako dito. Manay mo, dito na ako makabili para hindi na ako migot. Hi, brother. Good evening. I want to see necklace for my daughter. I like this one. This one is 18K. 18K. I like 21, but 21 is soft, right?
21 is soft.
But I like this. It's like around 1,000 real. I want, yeah, for, yes. So, bibili ko si Raven ng necklace. Ang gram ng, ayun, nasa TV. So, ang monitor nila, 18K is 166.
Yeah, gold price now.
I need discount.
That is only gold price.
That's the gold price. Can I choose?
What range you looking?
Around 1,000 real.
Here nothing. Here almost.
More?
No.
More. No, around 1,000 only. Around 1,000 yan. For my daughter. So, bibili natin siya ng gold. Si Raven. Ng necklace. Dati meron to eh. Nung nagumupa pa ako ng bahay eh. Pag bukas ko sa aking lalagyan eh, wala nang laman ang aking wala nang laman ang aking lalagyan ng alahas.
Like this, around 1,200.
I want to this one, kuya. This one. This one easy to carbon? Like
Yeah.
huh? How many gram that one?
6.6.
6.6.
1,530.
1.5?
Yeah.
Ay, 1.5 daw. Around only 1,000. My budget to her. Very expensive the gold now. Why? Because it's Eid. Eid, no? Last week, not lahay.
Last week was more.
More? I know, I don't like this one. You know, easy to make.
850.
No. I like this one. Okay, just a second. Hello, how many gram?
3.5.
3.5. And this one?
6.6.
6.6. How much this one?
1.5.
Why 3.5 only? And where's the pendant? Can I see? I just choose. Pendant. I need only this one, ha? Ayan, lalagyan ko siya ng pendant. And where this one is nice. How much this one? Give me this one round. How much that one? How many gram that one?
1.2. 390.
And this about this one? Who's this?
This is Cleopatra.
Cleopatra? Si Cleopatra daw siya. And this
This one 480.
like this, huh? How much all together this one? I need discount. I see all not yet open. I just you are the one open, so I will pass here. See? Ayan, para kay Raven. How much all this? Can I try? Because she's a little fat. Maybe Kuya, hold. Look in the camera. Show me in the camera. It's for my daughter in Philippines. One of my... Wait. What is the mirror?
Turn around. That's not her.
No, I did not put. I think it's okay.
Yeah, that's long enough.
This almost... But this is a small, see? It's a small.
It's like
No.
big chain.
This one, it's how much together this one?
1.4.
And this one with this one. If like this there.
1,980.
Yung Raven, ayan no. Okay. Ayan mga kabulaklak, nakabili ako. Kuya, this is my ring. So, ito po. How much this one, the ring?
600.
600. And you can put the bracelet, necklace of my daughter. Ayan. Ito try ko. You can remove this one. Remove this one. So, it will show you nice. Ayan. Pinatanggal ko na. Ibig sabihin, bibiling ko na.
Just put
Pag hindi ko
example.
binili ito, yayarin ako nitong mga... You're from where?
I'm from Nepal.
My good neighbor. You know, Nepal and Philippines, same, no?
Same.
Very kind. Yes, we are kind. Kuya, I'll try and I show on my vlog. Okay? Just hold. Okay. Please. Yes. You know, I should not buy.
Why?
But I should not buy gold. But I don't have content today. I did not go to... Wow! It's for my daughter. So, ayan, para kay Raven. Gift ko sa kanya dahil pag hindi nagsipag, ewan ko lang. This is for my daughter and for me. How much this one, kuya?
1,550.
1,550?
50.
18K, no? 166.50 the gram. But this one, 22. How much?
21.
21K. How much?
Gold price 194.
Oh, so, dalawa na bili ko. See? I don't have content, so I need to buy gold. Because I did not still go to the gold shop.
Good content.
Yes. So, ayan po. Show, kuya. This, ayan ang nabili ko para sa anak ko. Ito yung singsing ko. Can I wear now my ring?
Yeah, this
Okay.
Wait.
Remove. Ayan, susuot ko na yung singsing ko. Pagkatapos, ilalagay ko lang sana. Hindi ko man susuot yan. Ganyan lang ako. Ayan. Ito yung para kay Raven. And my ring, put it, kuya. Ayan. Ang ganda. Okay. Next time, I will buy bracelet for you. Ay, for me. Sorry. Ayan, guys. Ang daming, pwedeng isanla sa Pilipinas, oh. Ayan, ang daming sing-sing. Ang dami dyan. So, bibili tayo ngayon para sa sarili naman natin. Bracelet na ako eh. Nagkintas na ako eh. Sing-sing. Okay, pili ako. Ayan. I like...
This one.
No, I don't like that. This marhaba.
कति बाँकी वजन आउँछ त्यो वजन issue गरेर
Ayan.
भन्नु
No, I don't want from there. I don't want from there. I from this side, yes. Sorry, kuya. This is my size. Can you put? I will put it this side. Ayan. Big. Big. Oh, big. After very easy, they will take from me. This one, kuya.
Very small.
Show me.
Okay.
No, okay. Yes. Kuya, how much this one? Napili ako. Huwag namang mahal, kuya, ha? Mahal naman. Too much expensive.
Mura lang, mura.
Mura lang? Sure? Sure ka?
Oo.
Mahal naman, kuya.
750 only.
Bakit ang mahal?
Mura lang.
Mura lang. How many gram?
2.5.
Why?
This is 21, no? Okay.
Even, expensive, kuya. Kuya, I am Flower. My name is Rosa Flower. This one?
This is here.
You don't have bigger hand?
Big, no, I have small.
Can you try? See? Oh, strong?
Yeah, this is good, no?
It's good?
Yeah, it will not come out easily.
This. No. Bulaklak. Ito. Kuya, ha? After I finish buying, you have to subscribe my channel, ha? Ah, this one nice. Ayan. Okay, kuya, tanggalin. So, tell me this two price and this three. No, this one. Yan. Ay, may napili pa akong isa. Kuya, tingin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, from this side. From this one. Yes. Flower? This is flower?
Yeah,
Yes.
kind of.
Yes. Okay, this juice. Ayan. Kung pambukas ng iba, bumili na ako. Where is it? Ito, binili ko siya ng kwenta si Raven. Okay, later on, just change. And ito yung pendant. Binili ko na siya. I want to buy a ring for me. So, I will choose ring. Okay. Ako naman para sa akin, ang sarili ko naman.
What kind of?
I like the simple but elegant. Yeah, here, in this side. Ayan, ako naman po bibili para sa akin. Remove this one after I will take it. Joke, I don't have enough money. This one, you have infinity, kuya?
Infinity ring?
Yes.
Infinity I have, but small. You know.
I don't like small. I like this is also near, but can you put in yan, here this side. It's, show. Very tight. Kuya, tight. Remove. I don't know, no problem. Okay.
Really?
Yes. Hey, this one. Show me this one. I am this okay. Sa? But with silver, I need all gold.
White gold, no? Not silver.
No. Remove. Wait. So, mamimili po ako na only gold.
Here.
Show me.
Similar. Full gold.
Ay. Alam naman kaganda-ganda, kuya. I want to choose nice one.
This one same exactly, full gold. This one with white gold.
And this one, show me this one. Ano naman kaganda-ganda yung binibigay ni kuya sa akin. You don't have other ring, just this ring? Boss? No more ring to choose? There. No, there.
21 carat.
Oh yeah, I like 21. I don't like ring. Wait. I don't like. Ayan, itong gusto ko. Yeah, this one I like, this one. Ay, sorry. Ayan, by force na po. Pinorse ko na silang mag-subscribe. 3 to. So, nakatatlo ako subscriber. OFW. Parista TV. But you need to watch, kuya, little.
Yeah.
Because
like, subscribe.
this is me. Oh yeah, watch, like, subscribe,
And share.
and share. But no need share. Forget it. The share. For what you?
How many the followers you have?
Actually, see, you write something. Write some.
सही है. Nice. Oh, flower.
See, ayan, nakatatlo ako ngayon. Wow. Thank you. Very kind from Nepal. Sorry.
Yeah, here, your 21 karat ring.
Yes,
and
20.
then chain, and this one the extra lock I put. Okay.
Okay.
Here.
Where I sign? Here?
Yeah.
Dito kailangan pumirma pag bumili ka na.
Here.
Where is it? This? Here?
Yeah.
Kailangan pumirma.
Thank you very much.
Ayan. Asan yung resibo ko? Ayan, original sa akin.
When you upload this video?
Today. No.
Today?
Tonight. Tonight, tomorrow you can... Oh, wait. I need to know your name. What's your name?
Come on.
Kamal.
Russian.
Russian? And you?
Oh.
Ha?
Oh.
Oo. Why? Oo.
Yes.
Ayan sila. You are all from Nepal?
No, I'm from Myanmar.
Myanmar?
Yes.
Really?
This two is from.
Yeah, from my neighbor. I like Nepal country, really.
Yes. But
Yes.
you will like also Myanmar.
Myanmar also. I know the lady that play, yes.
Aung San Suu Kyi.
Yes, you are from Myanmar. And then this, very easy your name, Kamal.
Come on.
And, oh,
Russian.
Russian, this is Russia. So
Nice to
easy.
meet you, madam.
Thank you so much. They are very kind and friendly. Usually when I vlog, some people, they don't want to talk. But these people, they are very, very friendly and easy to approach. So thank you. Next time, I'll come back to buy bracelet for me. I have bracelet, but I need more bracelet. Okay. Thank you so much. Ayan po. Ayan ang shop. What's the name of the shop? Marhaba?
Yes.
Marhaba. How are you? Good morning, sa Marhaba.
Hello.
Hello. Ayan. Ayan o, dito ako ngayon. Babalik ako sa kanila. So, remember my face? Anyway, you will watch my vlog. I will come back again to you. Bulaklak, nandito tayo sa Gold Soup. So, pumili ako ng necklace para sa anak ko. Ayan, daming mga good, oh. Tsaka sing-sing ko. Ayan. Daming gold. Ngayon pa lang sila magbubukas kasi bumili na ako para sa akin. Ay, ang ganda nito. Wow. Ang ganda nito, oh. Ayan, daming gold. Gusto ko pa sa loob. Maligaw. Ayan. Daming gold. Yan pa lang sila nagbukas. Ganda ng green pala na ano. Na stand. Pasok tayo dito. Maraming papalilita. Yan yung mga maliliit. Ayan. Sarado pa yung iba. Daming gold. Dito tayo sa Gold Souk. Ang mga Pilipinong bumibili, oh. Ah, shine. Ah, okay. Halos mga Pilipino. Puro Pilipino ang nakabili. Shine, shine. Ang bumibili. Puno. Ah, mayroon silang promo. Ang dami ko pa naman binili. Ah, mayroon sila. Ayan, ang dami ko pa naman binili. Hindi kasi ako nagantay. Okay lang. Ang dami, puro mga Pilipino. Punong-puno. Sorry. Oh, Pilipino din sa kabila. Ah, lahat pa nga Pilipino ang bumibili. Ang daming namimili Pilipino, oh. Ayan, ah. Wala, punong-puno. Lahat Pilipino. Ayan, oh. Puro Pilipino. Lahat ng namimili ay Pilipino. Wala. Bakit? Sa puno mo, ano? Puro Pilipino. Puro Pilipino. Puno-puno. O, ito, Pilipino rin. Puno lang naman sa Pilipino. O, dito ako pala bumili sa Marhaba. Ayan, dito ako bumili sa Marhaba. Ayan, dito ako bumili sa Marhaba. Dito ako bumili. Ang dami. Namimili lahat Pilipina. Kabulaklak. Nandito pa rin tayo sa good. Paalis na tayo. Tignan nyo naman yung lahat ng ano. Lahat Pilipino. Punong-puno. Ayan. Ayan o, Pilipino. Ayan, puno. Lahat Pilipino. Lalo naman to. Punong-puno. Ang shine. Ayan, shine jewelry. Punong-puno. Puro Pilipino lahat. Ito rin, puro Pilipino. Hala. Kaya alis na dahil nakabili na ako. So, dito ako. Tot na ako sa kabila. Ayan, mga kabulaklak. Tapos na tayong bumili ng kwintas para kay Raven. Ito, hawak ko. Paano ba? Ayan, nabili ko na siya ng gold. Ako ay singsing. Ayan, nabili ko. So, tayo ay pasakay ng metro. Sakay tayo ng metro. So, dito tayo sa metro. Galing tayo sa Gold Souk. Ayan, dito tayo sa metro. Galing tayo sa Gold Souk. Titignan ko yung aking atras. Ayan. Ito yung address ko. Ayan. Brother? Okay? Huh. Ayan. Ayan. So, check ko muna. Baka walang pera yung aking... Walang laman yung aking... card. So, ayan. Tingnan. May 6 real pa. Okay pa to. So, go rebels. Ayan. So, pupunta tayo ng Alwaab ngayon. After natin bumili ng gold. Ito na yung gold ni Doña ko. 166 per gram. Basta yung nabili ko. Yung nabili ko sa kanya is around 1,550 reals is yung 1,000, 14,000. So, lampas ng 20,000 pesos. Yan. Sa akin, sing-sing 600. Almost. Kulang-kulang 10,000 piso. Ayan siya. Tuwa na tong si Donya. So, pa-asisiya tayo kasi mag-alwa haba ka.